Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best granite seam filler is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of maintaining the beauty and integrity of your granite surfaces. Choosing the right filler can mean the difference between a seamless, stunning countertop and one marred by unsightly cracks and stains. So today we will look into several top-rated products and help you choose the best one for your needs. Number 5. Instant Install 29 Epoxy Kit. It's the revolutionary epoxy repair kit designed for all your countertop needs. It's fast, easy, and provides a permanent solution for chips, cracks, and missing pieces. From granite and marble to porcelain and tile, it bonds seamlessly to almost any countertop material. It's incredibly versatile and strong. Say goodbye to long wait times. It dries completely in just 29 minutes. Get back to using your countertop quickly and easily. Seamlessly match the color of your countertop with our easy tint pigments. Achieve an invisible repair that blends perfectly. It creates an incredibly strong, unbreakable bond. It's ideal for reattaching loose stones or installing new slabs. It's the ultimate solution for lasting repairs. The tinted repairs won't yellow or discolor over time. Enjoy a beautiful, long-lasting repair that looks as good as new. What we like. It dries in just 29 minutes, saving you valuable time. Its tintable feature ensures a seamless color match. If you need a super strong, unbreakable bond for your project, this is the one for you. What people say. In one afternoon, I repaired all the holes. I must say that the repairs are not invisible if one goes looking for them, but they are 99% improved compared to where I began. Even in person it's barely noticeable, you have to really look. And part of the repair included building up a missing chunk, so you know this is pretty incredible stuff. Anyway, this product worked as advertised. It stayed workable for a good 15 minutes. I left the suction on the seam for about 15 hours, and when I pulled it off, the epoxy seems to be holding just fine. Number 4. Instant Install 29 Epoxy Kit. It's the revolutionary epoxy repair kit designed for all your countertop needs. It's fast, easy, and provides a permanent solution for chips, cracks, and missing pieces. From granite and marble to porcelain and tile, it bonds seamlessly to a wide variety of surfaces. Say goodbye to unsightly damage. It dries completely in just 29 minutes. That means less downtime and a quick, efficient repair. No sanding, taping, or waiting around. It's a mess-free application for a professional-looking finish. Easily match existing stone colors with our easy tint pigments. Ensure a seamless, invisible repair that lasts. It creates a super strong, unbreakable bond, perfect for reattaching broken pieces or installing new slabs. It's incredibly durable and long-lasting. The color remains consistent over time, with no yellowing or discoloration. Get a repair that looks great for years to come. What we like. This one also boasts a 29-minute drying time, perfect for quick repairs. The ability to tint it ensures a perfect color match. If you're looking for a smaller, more manageable size for smaller repairs, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Worked great both times. The first repair was to clear fill a crack in a marble floor where the slab underneath cracked. Next job was to fill travertine holes to keep dirt from accumulating. Note the cracks and holes must be completely free of dirt, oil, wax, and water. The clear epoxy picks up the color of the marble and travertine and is almost invisible, matching the stone filler used by the factory. I bought this to fix a heavy concrete fountain. The bowl of this fountain is 36 inches wide and almost 3 inches thick. I'm guessing it weighs about 220 pounds empty. While moving it I set it down too roughly and it cracked just about in half, all the way through. I set it up on its side so that the broken off part could rest straight down on the other half. After easily mixing about half of the product I slapped a generous helping on one half and set the broken half down on it. I used way too much adhesive but the squeeze out chipped off easily with a screwdriver, just like they said it would, after about an hour. I waited until the next day as it was evening anyway and the bond was clearly rock solid. Still, this thing is so heavy, and there is so much leverage from the size of the break, plus the probably 25 gallons of water that it holds, but I needn't have worried. It never even thought about breaking while being manhandled and carried by the edge. And, not one drop has leaked after filling the fountain up. I have total confidence in the repair, which I did not expect. Mixing the two compounds was quite simple. I literally got an old spoon and estimated equal parts for both. I then mixed both together for about 30 seconds. After mixing, I put black tint coloring in and mixed. You have to be quick with applying because this stuff hardens quick and becomes a waste of what's not used and will have to make another batch. After applying a generous amount on the crack and to the pieces before sticking back to other granite, I then let dry for about 20 minutes and began to move the straight edge razor blade back and forth, removing thin layers till the bonded material is almost flush with the countertop. Number 3. Globalcom Tile Repair Kit. Say goodbye to chipped tiles and countertops. This versatile kit is perfect for repairing a wide range of surfaces, from porcelain to granite. It easily repairs chips, holes, cracks, and scratches. It's incredibly strong and waterproof once cured. With multiple color gels included, you can achieve a perfect match for your existing surface. No need for additional paint. It's simple to use with a 1:1 mix ratio. Plus, it's environmentally friendly and non-toxic, so you can use it with confidence. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. What we like. It's incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of surfaces. The many color options ensure a perfect color match for your project. If you want a versatile solution with a risk-free purchase, this is the one for you. What people say. If you didn't know where the chips were, they are not noticeable. A casual observer would never know there was a repair made. You have to look really close to notice it. The repair is absolutely invisible unless you know exactly where to look. Number 2. DIY Granite and Stone Repair Kit. Is your granite, marble, or quartz countertop chipped or cracked? It doesn't have to be a costly problem. Our repair kit makes fixing it easy and affordable. This kit contains everything you need to perfectly match the color of your countertop. It's simple to use and provides professional results. With its easy-to-follow instructions, even beginners can achieve a flawless repair. Just mix, apply, and watch it transform. It's made with a food-safe, non-toxic, and odorless epoxy resin, ensuring a safe and healthy repair for your home. This isn't a temporary fix, it's a permanent solution that will last for at least 10 years, saving you money on costly replacements. It's perfect for repairing chips, cracks, and holes in various surfaces including marble, granite, quartz, corian, porcelain, and more. It supports brown, gray, white, beige, black, cream, yellow, dark coffee, light coffee, and more colors to match your needs. What we like. It offers a DIY color matching kit for a personalized touch. It's also eco-friendly and non-toxic. If you are looking for a long-lasting, environmentally conscious solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Had a small piece off the edge of our quartz counter broken from being hit by a heavy metal object. I was able to slowly get a color match before applying it carefully and flattening the resin into place. Proper prep work of thoroughly cleaning the area with alcohol is essential to avoid adhesion issues. Waited 48 hours, then sanded it all down beginning with 600 then 1000 grit. The result was astonishing. Truly, unless you're looking at it with a magnifying glass from 2 inches away, you can't tell anything ever happened. This worked great. I filled cracks in marble I was refinishing and used the different color variations so that the cracks in the marble didn't have a filled-in look. It 100% worked. You cannot see where the cracks were. A little color goes a long ways is an understatement. I only needed a drop or two, but I used 3 color shades to break the line up visually. It takes some patience and practice, but you can do this like a pro if you spend the time on it. I chipped my granite countertop and was dreading the cost of replacement. This kit was easy to use and the color match was surprisingly accurate. It blended in seamlessly and you can barely tell there was ever a chip. Number 1. LamLock RocketGel Stone Epoxy. Say goodbye to chipped and cracked countertops. This innovative epoxy makes repairs quick and easy, saving you time and money. Simply mix equal parts, apply to the damaged area, and wipe away excess. It's that simple, even for beginners. From granite to marble, this epoxy works wonders on various stone types. Get professional-looking results every time. Included color tints let you perfectly match the repaired area to your existing countertop. Achieve a seamless, flawless finish. It's tack-free in just 20 minutes and fully cured in 12 hours. Get back to using your countertop quickly. This epoxy is perfect for fixing a wide range of stone defects, from small chips to deep scratches. Restore your countertops to their former glory. What we like. This epoxy dries in just 25 minutes, making it incredibly efficient. It's easily colorable to match any stone. If you need a fast, easy solution that works on various stone types, this is the one for you. What people say. This stuff was awesome. There was a large chunk of tile flooring missing at a restaurant. We needed something that would cure fast. We could add pigment. Used hydraulic concrete, then this stuff right over it. You get enough material to do dozens and dozens of seams. The quality of the pigments is excellent. With this kit I was not only able to glue the joint together, but color match and dab in the RocketGel. I was easily able to make the joint nearly completely disappear. I was also using a fairly busy granite that had many different colors in it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.